Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Kali Linux operating system settings just like Windows 10 and 11. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for latest Kali Linux tips and tricks and tutorials. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video guys.
First of all, click on the Linux option. After that, guys, you need to simply tap settings, go to the settings manager. So I click in settings manager. After that, guys, you can see here desktop option or appearance option. Simply click on appearance. Now scroll down and click on Windows 10. Now your all Kali Linux settings is just like Windows 10 settings. So like the video and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.